Okay, trading friends. So we see that based on my video analysis of the last days, especially yesterday, I made 2 videos. Go watch them again because every reason we have mentioned exactly that's happening now. Bitcoin at this moment at 80,300 fell very dramatically directly after the open, and there are several reasons. Of course, the global macroeconomic reasons of recession, tariff war, turmoil, trade war, and of course, last not least, the Federal Reserve, Harker, they are going to plead maybe in the next weeks to not only to keep the interest rates higher, but also maybe to raise again the interest rates, to hike them again. That is making a lot of concerns of the market. Then 2 days ago, we had also the news that Bitcoin ETFs hit by record outflows. And that means that a lot of people, also the miners themselves, they are selling Bitcoin because of inflation, of electric prices. They need to spend for mining new Bitcoins, meaning that risk-off sentiment across financial markets driven by concerns over trade wars and economic growth on one side, on the other side the technical, and on the third side, I mentioned it also in my videos yesterday, go watch them again, I have explained it clearly, that the large traders and hedge funds started to buy Bitcoin again at this level, but it seems that they will not be successful. As I told you, 90% of time, all those hedge funds, BlackRock, they are all wrong. Why? Because they buy and sell at the peaks. When the market makes new higher high, they buy. When the market makes new low, they sell. The market, they enter very lately, and this is the reason that now the large traders net position has been increased. This is also several reasons that a lot of now traders, also retail traders, start to massively sell Bitcoin. The cryptocurrencies have been hit particularly hard following a massive 1.5 billion hack of Bybit, of course. It has also very big impact. And we have also to face the SEC. SEC says, namely, that most meme coins are not securities. So SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, issued this guidance yesterday evening, Thursday evening. Today is Friday now here. So that means that it doesn't deem most meme coin securities under US federal law. And that means on one side, the meme coins holders do not need to register their transactions with the commission, but accordingly, neither meme coin purchasers nor meme coin holders are protected anymore by the federal securities laws. And we are facing also a lot of new reports of SEC and also against the crypto market coming in the next weeks, and that is making the markets very uncertain. Last not least, the SEC announced also dismissal of civil enforcement action against Coinbase. And Coinbase, you know, is a crypto broker, so well known, a solid broker. They had a lot of troubles with SEC. So, but I think this time it's getting much more serious, because this EC today announced that the commission has filed a joint stipulation with Coinbase Inc. and also Coinbase Global Inc. to dismiss the ongoing civil enforcement action against the two entities. On January the 21st of this year, the Commission, the SEC, announced also that the formation of the Crypto Task Force, which is dedicated to helping develop a comprehensive and clear regulatory framework for crypto assets. But given to the pending work of the Crypto Task Force, the Commission is dismissing this matter for the last several years. And that's, of course, making a lot of holders and also people who are trading Bitcoin with or along the Coinbase, is making them very unsure. Keep in mind, tricks of the Wall Street. What did I tell you? Monday, Tuesday, sunny day of Trump, that he says everything is okay, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday he starts, and I think that is something very notorious, that he begins the week very relaxed, but then from Wednesday to weekend he gets angrier and more angry, and then he puts tariffs, this time tariffs above United Kingdom. And also I read that he said also we let the Germans alone against Russia, and if Russia is going to attack them. So personally, it seems to me personally very serious, and I think nobody who is living in Europe is taking that comments, of course, not less than seriously. But what the markets, the tariffs dictating the whole year from now on, and from the beginning of the year, the market sentiment is definitely bearish. So we see here now at the volume profile, the bars all red, right? We see here the 2-year VWAP, this red line, the 2-year VWAP, and we see here that the market started to fall immediately. It just took 5 minutes, open, gap down, and there are a lot of gap traders. They got all trapped. So the market started to fall from 80, what price is it? 84, 550 to now 80. It attempts already 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times to break the 80, and did it successfully. Below 80, the short-term holders had their stops, so therefore we had then this pullback, the stop hunting, did it again, hit the next stops, and the third one, 1, 2, 3, attempt number 1, this is attempt number 2 and 3, and this is attempt number 4, meaning the bear seriously want to break this level, and if this level is broken, and it has broken, the low of today is at 79,639, so broken successfully, and they are going to break it. They will break it during this day. Today we don't have so many US data, so today will be a very bearish trend day, meaning that no consolidation anymore. We will have very fast moves down, and you see also in this chart, every time the market comes up, you are very welcome to sell the market. Don't make the mistake to buy the dip. Don't make the mistake to listen to YouTubers or social media influencers who tell you buy the bid. Bitcoin goes to 120. It can go, it may go, but not today. Definitely not today. Definitely not this month. Definitely not in March, and definitely not at this weekend. So this weekend will be a very bloody red bloodbath. You need to be very, very careful about this. And if you're working with volume profiles, then you need also to keep attention to that very, very important level of the volume profiles. So we see that the market broke already all the levels above the volume profile. So we try now another time frame. Hope it succeeds. So we see here the volume profile, and we see now the market is going deep down. The POC has been shifted down, and the current POC is already down at around 80,580, meaning that we will have definitely a trend day, and the market tries to get up to around 81, 82. Don't get trapped. And at this level, if the market is going higher, it might go to around 83 to 85K. And from there, the bears will sell massively the market again. All right. So have a good trading day. Keep in mind that trading is also risky. You can lose everything. And therefore, also focus and pay attention to money and risk management, to stop loss trading. Limit your risks. If you see the market is very volatile, get out of the market, stay away. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to hit the notifications bell, and to stay alert, and also like the video for the algorithms. That will be nice. All right, have a good day, guys. The next level, if we are broken, we are going to 77,000, and after that to 72,000, 70,000. This is the last resort for the bulls. If they don't get to protect that level 70K, the market, Bitcoin, will go straight down to 62,000. First of all, 62 to 66. After a short consolidation, there the market will continue to fall below 60. The target is 49,850, and below that we will have a very thin volume. If it happens and the market falls below that volume, Bitcoin will go straight down to 32,000. 32,000. It is a very weak support there, and after breaking that, the market targets the next level 20,800, and then the next one is 8,850. So currently, with the very, very bearish sentiment, with very inflationary, very recession-like scenarios of the economy, global economy, warning sirens of war, and all this news is not making the market very helpful for the bulls. Of course, you will have some bullish pullbacks, but keep attention that the trend is definitely bearish, right? The major trend is definitely bearish. There are a lot of YouTubers who are crying, buy the Bitcoin, do not listen to those crash prophets. We are not crash prophets. We are just traders, but we see the reality. we don't live with the illusion to hold something what it's not existing, right? So therefore, the reality is Bitcoin is going down, we sell Bitcoin. That's all, right? If it's Bitcoin sentiment is bullish, aligned with trading system with the trend, and Bitcoin starts to rise, sentiments becoming more optimistic and bullish, of course, then we say that Bitcoin is bullish, nothing about it, right? So it's up to you, to whom you are listening to, whom you are following, to people who are promising you something very illusions, something that is not existing or far away, maybe in 100 years, or can you follow to someone who is talking with you with facts, right, with arguments? And this channel is the second group. So, and I know there are also YouTubers, good YouTubers who are making very good content. Also, if you keep following them, you are very welcome. And I hope at the end you will make your own decision to keep very good, healthy decision to make money in this very good business. But you don't need to be emotional. You have to keep patience. And what very important is that you don't blindly follow any tips to invest your money in this market. As you see, any market is very volatile, very risky, and therefore you must decide, first of all, if you have a good trading system, if you are patient enough, if you are psychologically resilient to make all those trades, and also if you have the knowledge. But in this channel, there is someone who can help you. I'm going to help you. If you have comments, some questions, put it below the videos, like them, share them, and have a good weekend then.